Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your civilization in Age of Empires game using your Android device. Choosing the right civilization can give you a strategic advantage in Age of Empires. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Age of Empires game on your device and make sure that you are inside your home screen. After you're inside, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your Governor Info section, tap on the Civilization option, which should be located on the right corner over here. Tap on it, and then on the next page, you'll get to change between civilizations. Go to the bottom menu and select the civilization you want to change to. After you make a selection, click on Confirm at the bottom right. In order to change between civilizations, you'll need to spend 200 silver coins. Tap the Confirm button and click on Confirm once again in order to change your civilization. So there you have it. You have successfully changed your civilization in Age of Empires. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.